Check if Python package is installed. What's a good way to check if a package is installed while within a Python script? I know it's easy from the interpreter, but I need to do it within a script. I guess I could check if there's a directory on the system that's created during the installation, but I feel like there's a better way. I'm trying to make sure the Skype 4py package is installed, and if not, I'll install it. My ideas for accomplishing the check. Check for a directory in the typical install path. Try to import the package, and if an exception is throw, then install package.
If you mean a Python script, just do something like this. Python 3.3 plus use sys.modules and find _spec. Python 3. Python 2.
Updated answer. A better way of doing this is the result. Check if request is installed. Why this way? Sometimes you have app name collisions. Importing from the app namespace doesn't give you the full picture of what's installed on the system. Note that proposed solution works. When using pip to install from PyPI or from any other alternative source, like pip install http column//some.site/packagename.zip or any other archive type. When installing manually using Python setup.py install. When installing from system repositories like sudo apt install Python requests. Cases when it might not work. When installing in development mode like Python setup.py develop. When installing in development mode like pip install break time equals 1s/break. Old answer. A better way of doing this is for pip equals 10.xuse. Why this way? Sometimes you have app name collisions. Importing from the app namespace doesn't give you the full picture of what's installed on the system. As a result, you get a list of package_resources.distribution objects. See the following as an example. Make a list of it. Check if request is installed.
As of Python 3.3, you can use the find_spec method.
If you want to have the check from the terminal, you can run. And if nothing is returned, the package is not installed. If perhaps you want to automate this check, so that for example you can install it if missing, you can have the following in your bash script.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.